Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're here to learn fresh ways to make extra income, you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 lesser-known ways you can earn money using AI. These tips are perfect whether you're looking to boost your current income or start a new side hustle. So, let's jump in. Let's kick things off with a really exciting one, AI voiceover generation. Right now, there's a huge demand for quality voiceovers, especially for podcasts, online courses, and video content. With platforms like Moff AI, you can create professional, natural-sounding voiceovers in different tones and styles, all without needing a recording studio. Think of it like this: you're able to produce high-quality audio without all the expensive gear. Whether it's for training videos, promotional material, or storytelling, Moff AI's software helps you generate high-quality narrations effortlessly. It's a fantastic side hustle for tapping into the growing need for audio content. Next up, let's talk about AI-powered stock prediction tools. Imagine having a personal financial advisor right at your fingertips. Platforms like Zacks analyze massive amounts of market data to help you make smarter investment decisions. They track market trends and highlight investment opportunities. It's like having a coach right by your side, showing you when to buy or sell based on the latest data. While these tools aren't guaranteed to work every time, they can definitely give you an edge, helping you make more informed decisions and reduce risk. Finally, let's explore AI-based chatbot services. With customer support in high demand, chatbots are becoming a valuable tool for businesses. Using platforms like ChatGPT and Dialogflow, you can create custom chatbot solutions that companies can use to manage customer interactions. Think of it as building a customer service rep who works 24/7. Many companies are willing to pay for custom chatbots that can answer frequently asked questions, help with order processing, and even offer personalized recommendations. With a bit of setup, you could offer chatbot services to businesses across different industries. And there you have it, 3 exciting ways to make money using AI. From creating voiceovers to using stock prediction tools and developing chatbot services, there's a world of new opportunities out there. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching.